In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Keep to another account. 2026 full guide. 5 minutes. We'll use Google Keep's built-in collaboration to move your notes from one account to another. This method is quick, safe, and keeps your formatting, images, checkboxes, and reminders intact. Start on any Google page in your browser. Open the Google Apps menu, the grid of dots in the top right corner. From the list of apps, locate Keep. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list, or simply type keep.google.com in your address bar to go straight there. Click Keep to open the Google Keep home screen. Once you're in Google Keep, decide which note you want to transfer. Click the note to open it. You can do this for a single note or repeat the same process for as many notes as you need to move. Inside the note, look for the Collaborator button. It looks like a person icon with a plus sign. Click it to open the Collaborators window. In the field that appears, select or enter the email address of the other Google account you want to move the note to. Make sure you type the address correctly since this determines who will get access. When the email is selected, confirm to add that account as a collaborator on the note. That's the entire transfer action. By adding the second account as a collaborator, you've effectively moved the note over, and both accounts can now view and edit it. This preserves all content and keeps everything in sync. When you're done, head back to the main Google Keep view. You can close the note to return to your grid of notes and continue with any others you want to share the same way. If you have many notes, opening them one by one and adding the collaborator ensures each one is transferred with its content intact. Labels, colors, and pinned states are preserved within each shared note. A few quick tips as you go. If you manage multiple Google accounts in the same browser, glance at the profile photo in the top right to confirm you're in the correct source account before you start. If the collaborator icon isn't visible, make sure you open the note fully rather than just selecting it from the grid. And if your keep list is long, use the search bar at the top to find specific notes faster by keyword, label, or color. Finally, return to the Google Keep home screen whenever you want to continue transferring additional notes using the same simple process. That's all there is to it.